Hello and welcome to another video ng Tarot Couture, and sasagutin natin ngayon ang question na, does your ex still love you? Gusto niyo bang malaman if your ex still loves you? Sige, dito na tayo, di ba? Okay, gagawin natin siya per zodiac sign. Okay, so from Aries to Pisces. Okay, simulan na natin. Aries, does your ex still love you? I don't know if we will ever change. So I think parang nakikita nila na their love for you, it's there. Pero since mag-ex na nga kayo, ang nafe-feel nila is that siguro there were bad habits na nakita nila during the time that you were together, that they feel na parang baka hindi na mag-change. And baka kanila, yes, pero they're not sure if they can trust na you will always be like that. Kunyari kung may mga bad habits ka, yun yung nafe-feel nila sa inyo. Okay, for Taurus, yes, and they want a reunion with you. Gemini, okay, masasabi ko Gemini, outright, hindi na. They made you made them realize kung ano yung mga flaws na kailangan nilang iwasan. Okay? Next is for Cancer. Okay. They love you but they feel unworthy. They feel that kung sino man yung kasama mo ngayon, you're better off with that person, with your current partner, kaysa sa kanila. Kung alam nga kung masakit yun. Masakit yun for them. Awa ako sa kanila. Okay. For Leo, inseparable. They feel that, I think, ang nakukuha ko dito is they feel na parang as much as they want you in their lives, mahirap kumalas yung emotions nila sa inyo. Mahal ka pa rin nila talaga. And nakikita nila na parang hopefully one day magkabalikan kayo. Okay? For Virgo, they have moved on. I think the love is there. It has always been in their hearts, but they are trying to move on already. So they're focusing on their new chapter. Kumbaga, that's it. What's done is done. Very Virgo. Kasi parang they like to sort things out kasi. Diba? So, ito tapos na to. Ito naman yung next. Okay? Libra, they feel confused. There are days that they love you. There are days that they remember the love, and there are days that wala, parang naka-move on na. So parang nandun pa sila sa point na confused sila kung mahal ka pa rin nila or hindi. Okay. For Scorpio, okay, pag naiisip ka ng ex mo, they feel overwhelmed. To be honest, they feel drained pag naiisip ka nila. So I would say na pwede na naman kasing the love is still there, but the burden or the emotions that you made them feel during the time that you were together was just too much. So parang um nice na nandyan ka, but parang baka may times na nahihirapan na sila. Sagittarius, your ex feels guilty for everything, parang for all the hurt that they've given you. Okay? Capricorn, ah ang lumabas kasi dito na card is gossip eh. So, medyo minamarites ka nila. And I can say na, baka nami-miss ka nila. And if you have common friends, they might be asking those friends kung kamusta ka na. Aquarius, they feel indecisive. Okay, Aquarius parang there are things na parang, lalo na kung kunyari no contact kayo or for the longest time hindi kayo nag-uusap ng ex ninyo. Your ex feels na parang right now they need your expertise on something pero parang hindi sila maka-decide if they want to reach out to you. But when it comes to love, I guess that's why they're holding back. Kasi may nararamdaman pa rin sila. May ano pa rin eh. May significant amount of emotions pa rin towards you na meron sila. Okay? Lastly, Pisces. Okay, love ka nila pero yung kumbaga if they're raging against you or parang sobrang Papakita talaga sila na parang hindi ka na talaga mahal. It's just their ego talking. But they still love you. Okay? Those are your cards. Natuwa ba kayo? Let me know and comment your feelings, your thoughts on your reading. And if you want to book a tarot reading or an oracle reading session with me, just message me. Okay? Bye!